Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you guys can add cinematic glow effect on your video by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here choose the video that you want to add. Now tap on edit. Now tap on video effect, search retro blue effect, then at the adjustment put the filter on 0. Now go to the video effect again, and this time I'm going to nightclub, and under the nightclub effects you guys can see strobe effect, and then I'm going to put it here. Now under the adjustment I'm going to put the speed in 22, and now tap on video effect again, and under lens you guys can find out its glow, and here I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to put the glow in 8, and now extend the 3 effects according to your need. Now let's see the video. So this is how you guys can add cinematic glow effect on your video. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.